Almost 90% car owner spends over $600 a year on detailing and cleaning services. But every single one of those services can be done at home for under $10 using stuff already sitting in your kitchen. Here are 15 car cleaning hacks you'll wish you knew sooner. Don't skip a single one. This video is about to save you serious cash. Hack number 15. Spray foam on your AC. You turn on the AC and get hit with a musty smell that only gets worse the longer it runs, no matter how many air fresheners you've tried clipping to the vents. You've replaced the cabin filter, you've sprayed deodorizer into the car, and nothing sticks. The smell always comes back within a week. Here's the deal. Spray AC foam cleaner into the vents while the AC runs on recirculate mode. The foam travels through the entire ventilation system and breaks down the mold and bacteria that have been building up inside the evaporator for months or even years, tackling the actual source of the smell instead of just masking it for an hour. The evaporator is a warm, damp, enclosed space that barely ever gets cleaned, which makes it the perfect breeding ground for mold. The foam is the only thing that actually reaches it. A can of foam cleaner costs about $10 and works better than most $50 detailing treatments. Professional AC cleaning at a shop runs $100 to $200 every single time. That's one less expensive service visit you'll ever have to schedule again. But wait, if that one surprised you, this next hack fixes a problem every Japanese car owner deals with on a cold morning. Hack number 14. Shaving cream on a foggy windshield. You get in your car on a cold morning and the inside of your windshield is completely fogged over with condensation. You run the defroster, wipe the glass with your sleeve, and 5 minutes later it fogs right back up. Here's the deal. Apply a thin layer of regular foam shaving cream to the inside of your windshield and all your windows, then buff it completely off in circular motions with a clean dry cloth until the glass looks clear. The shaving cream leaves behind an invisible hydrophobic coating that keeps water vapor from bonding to the glass and forming condensation. One treatment lasts for weeks at a time, which means no more sitting in a fogged-up car every morning waiting on the defroster to catch up. Here's the kicker. The same anti-fog products sold at auto parts stores use nearly identical chemistry and cost $10 to $15 a bottle. A can of shaving cream costs about $3 and you already have it in your bathroom. This next one gets rid of streaks that regular glass cleaner never actually fixes, no matter how much you scrub. Hack number 13. Vinegar and water on windows. Your windows always end up covered in streaks, no matter how much bottled glass cleaner you use. You spray, you wipe, and somehow the glass looks worse than when you started, especially when light hits it from an angle. Here's the deal. Mix equal parts white vinegar and water in a spray bottle, apply it to the glass, and wipe with a microfiber cloth or crumpled newspaper instead of paper towels. The acetic acid in vinegar cuts through the oily film that commercial glass cleaners just smear around without actually dissolving. What they don't tell you is that most glass cleaners contain ammonia and surfactants that leave behind a residue, which is exactly what causes that frustrating streaking. Vinegar leaves nothing behind at all. A bottle of white vinegar costs about $3 at any grocery store. Professional window cleaning runs $50 to $100 per visit for a job that genuinely takes you 5 minutes at home. Next up, a trick that stops rust before it ever becomes a real and expensive problem. Hack number 12. WD-40 to prevent rust before it starts. You notice small rust spots forming on the hood edges, door bottoms, or around the wheel wells, and figure it's not serious enough to deal with yet. Here's what most drivers don't realize. Rust doesn't wait. Once it breaks through the surface coating, it spreads beneath the paint faster than you'd expect. And by the time it looks bad on the outside, the damage underneath is already significant. Here's the deal. Spray WD-40 on rust-prone areas like the door hinges, hood latch, trunk edges, and undercarriage after washing your car. It displaces moisture and creates a protective barrier that slows oxidation down dramatically. This matters most in winter when road salt accelerates rust formation on any exposed metal surface. A can costs about $6 and covers the whole car many times over. Letting minor rust spread into a real structural problem can cost $500 to $2,000 or more to repair professionally. Catching it early and treating it yourself costs almost nothing. Wait until you hear how a $3 tube fixes cloudy headlights that have been bothering you for years. Hack number 11. Toothpaste on foggy headlights. Your headlights have gone dull, yellow, and hazy from years of UV exposure and road debris. They make your car look older than it is, and they actually reduce how much light reaches the road at night, which is a genuine safety issue, not just a cosmetic one. Here's the deal. Apply a small amount of regular white toothpaste, not the gel kind, to a cloth and rub the headlight lens in firm circular motions for 3 to 5 minutes per headlight. Then rinse with water and dry with a clean cloth. The mild abrasives in toothpaste buff away the oxidized outer layer that's causing the cloudiness. The same layer that professional restoration kits target with their fancy compounds and marketing. A tube of toothpaste costs about $3 and treats both headlights several times over. Professional headlight restoration kits run $20 to $40 for a result you just matched at home for pocket change. Hack number 10. Baking soda on battery corrosion. You notice white or blue crust building up around your battery terminals, and it just keeps getting worse every time you check. That corrosion isn't just ugly. It creates electrical resistance that stops your battery from charging and discharging properly, which leads to slow starts, electrical issues, and eventually a battery that won't hold a charge at all. Here's the deal. Mix baking soda with a little water into a thick paste. Disconnect the terminals starting with the negative first. Apply the paste directly to the corroded areas and scrub with an old toothbrush. The baking soda neutralizes the acid causing the corrosion, and it bubbles right off the metal as it works. Rinse thoroughly, dry completely, and reconnect the terminals positive first. This entire job costs less than $1. A shop charges around $50 to clean terminals that take you about 5 minutes at home with a toothbrush and pantry supplies. Before we get to the hacks that genuinely surprise people, do me a favor. Hit that like button. It genuinely helps us keep making content like this for you every week. Done. Thanks, that actually makes a bigger difference than you'd think. Hack number 9. Silicone spray on seatbelts. It's a hot summer day and you reach for your seatbelt and it's barely moving, sticking and retracting slowly no matter how many times you pull it. Here's the deal. Spray a small amount of silicone lubricant along the entire length of the belt. Then pull it all the way out and let it retract slowly several times to work the lubricant deep into the mechanism. The silicone lubricates the retractor and conditions the belt fabric at the same time, removing the dirt and grime buildup that causes sticking in the first place. Here's the kicker. Make sure you use silicone spray specifically, not WD-40 or any oil-based product, because those can actually damage the belt fabric over time and compromise the safety of the mechanism. A can of silicone spray costs about $7 and lasts for years of use around the whole car. Replacing a sticky retractor mechanism runs $100 to $300 per belt once it finally fails completely. This next one restores an interior that's starting to look genuinely tired. Hack number 8. Coconut oil on interior plastics. Your dashboard, door panels, and center console look dry, cracked, and faded from years of heat and sun, beating through the windshield every single day. You've seen those expensive plastic restorer products at the auto parts store promising to bring back that showroom finish. But here's what the detailing industry doesn't want you to know. Here's the deal. Apply a small amount of coconut oil to a microfiber cloth, work it into all your plastic and vinyl surfaces in circular motions, and wipe off any excess so it doesn't leave a greasy residue. The natural fatty acids in coconut oil penetrate the dried-out plastic and restore the moisture that UV exposure has been stripping away for years, bringing back that rich, deep color. What they don't tell you is that professional interior conditioners use the exact same oil-based chemistry and charge $150 to $200 for the same treatment. A jar of coconut oil costs about $10 and lasts a very long time. You just saved yourself hundreds of dollars in 10 minutes of your afternoon. Hack number 7. The 2-bucket wash method. You fill one bucket with soapy water and start washing your car, dipping the same sponge back into that bucket over and over. Every time you do that, you're dragging the dirt and grit you just removed back across your paint. Here's the deal. Use 2 buckets instead of 1. Fill the first with car wash soap and water. Fill the second with plain clean water for rinsing. Dip your wash mitt in the soapy bucket, wash one panel, then rinse the mitt completely in the plain water bucket before going back to the soap. This keeps contamination out of your clean water, and stops grit from being dragged across the paint, which is exactly what causes those fine swirl marks that make even a freshly washed car look dull under sunlight. 2 buckets cost about $10 total. Paint correction to fix swirl marks from improper washing can run into the hundreds. This next trick fixes the sticky interior mess that no amount of regular wiping seems to touch. Hack number 6. Rubbing alcohol on sticky residue. Sticky spots from spilled drinks, old stickers, or tape residue build up on your dashboard, cup holders, steering wheel, and door handles, and nothing seems to get them completely clean. Here's the deal. Pour isopropyl rubbing alcohol onto a cloth and wipe directly over the sticky surfaces. It dissolves the residue instantly on contact without damaging plastic, vinyl, or leather underneath, and it evaporates completely without leaving anything behind. Here's the kicker. It also disinfects every surface it touches, killing the bacteria that thrive on those sticky areas. A bottle of rubbing alcohol costs about $3. Professional interior detailing to remove sticky residue runs $150 to $200 for a problem you can fix yourself in about 5 minutes during your lunch break. Hack number 5. Coke on rusted chrome. Rust spots are forming on your chrome trim, exhaust tips, or bumper accents, and chrome restoration at a professional shop is genuinely not cheap by any measure. Here's the deal. Pour Coke directly onto a cloth or some crumpled aluminum foil and scrub the rusted area in firm circular motions. The phosphoric acid in the soda breaks rust down on contact and lifts it away from the clean metal underneath without damaging the chrome finish. For heavier rust, pour the Coke directly on the area and let it sit for a few minutes before scrubbing. Rinse with water and dry with a clean cloth. A can of Coke costs about $1. Chrome restoration at a shop runs $100 to $300 per section for something that just came out of your fridge. Hack number 4. Silicone spray on a sticking hood latch. Your hood latch is sticking, grinding, or refusing to release properly when you pull the cable. You're yanking harder every time and worrying that one day it seizes up completely. Here's the deal. Spray silicone lubricant directly onto the latch mechanism and cable connection, then open and close the hood several times to work it in evenly. The silicone creates a protective coating that prevents rust, corrosion, and sticking, and it also repels moisture, which matters a lot in winter when latches can freeze solid overnight. A can costs about $7. A completely seized hood latch that needs a mechanic to disassemble and repair runs $150 to $300, and you cannot check your fluids until it's fixed. This next one saves your paint from the single worst part of summer driving. Hack number 3. WD-40 on tar and bugs. Your front bumper and windshield are plastered with bug splatter and tar spots after a highway drive, and no matter how hard you scrub during a normal car wash, they will not budge. Here's the deal. Spray WD-40 directly onto the affected spots and let it soak in for about a minute. The solvents in WD-40 break down the sticky adhesive compounds in both tar and bug residue, making them wipe away effortlessly with a microfiber cloth without any scrubbing that could scratch the paint. For really stubborn spots, spray again and let it sit a little longer before wiping. A can costs about $6. Professional paint correction to properly remove baked-on tar damage runs $200 to $500, and you're stuck looking at it every day until you pay someone to deal with it. Hack number 2. Always wash your car in the shade, never in direct sunlight. Most people think washing in the sun is fine since it dries faster and you can see the dirt better. Here's what they don't tell you. Hot paint bakes soap and water almost instantly in direct sunlight, leaving behind mineral deposits and soap residue that etch permanently into your clear coat over time. You can do everything else right, use the best soap, the best mitt, the best technique, and still end up with water spots and etching just because you washed in the wrong spot at the wrong time of day. Always wait for shade, find a spot out of direct sun, or wash in the early morning or evening when the panels are cool. This costs you absolutely nothing except a little patience. The alternative is paint correction from water spot etching that erases that glossy finish and costs hundreds to put back. Hack number 1. Boiling water and a plunger for dent removal. This is the one that genuinely surprises people the most, and most drivers won't believe it actually works until they see it happen right in front of them. A small dent on your plastic bumper from a parking lot mishap looks like a $100 to $300 body shop bill waiting to happen. You've probably tried pushing it from behind and got nowhere. Here's the deal. Boil a full pot of water and carefully pour it directly over the dented area, making sure the plastic is fully heated and noticeably soft. Then immediately press a standard cup plunger firmly over the center of the dent and pull straight out with steady, firm pressure. The combination of heat-softened plastic and suction force pops the dent right back into its original shape. The moment it pops out, pour cold water over the same area to harden the plastic quickly and lock the repair in place permanently. This works on plastic bumpers and body panels only, not metal. The whole job costs absolutely nothing if you already own a pot and a plunger, or about $10 for a cheap plunger if you need one. No body shop appointment, no estimate, no waiting, and no bill. How many of these did you already know? Drop a comment below and tell me which one surprised you the most, and if you've already tried one yourself, let everyone know in the comments that it actually works. If this video just saved your Japanese car from an expensive detail visit, or a repair bill you didn't need to pay, hit that subscribe button for more content like this every single week. Your wallet will genuinely thank you. And if you want even more hacks like these that mechanics and detailers don't want you to find out about, check out this next video right now.